Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to share key ideas from Charles Duhigg TED Talks titled The Science Behind Dramatically Better Conversation. In this talk, Duhigg explained how science can help us build more meaningful and effective conversations, not just by talking, but by asking better questions and truly connecting with others. Why do conversation matter? Conversation are the foundation of communication. Through them, we share ideas, build relationship, and understand one another. But often, people forget to make conversation truly meaningful. Charles Duhigg shows that science gives us tools to improve the way we talk and listen, so that conversation become bridge, not barriers. The power of the right question. One of the most important lessons is the great conversation. Start with the right kind of question. Good question open people up and build trust. When we start with curiosity instead of others feel safe to share more deeply. And just as important, talking less and listening more help us truly understand others. Next, what science says about good conversation. Duhigg shares research that highlights the difference between shallow and deep questions. Shallow questions like "How are you?" often lead to short answer and no real connection. Deep questions such as "When was the last time you cried in front of someone?" create emotional of willing to be open. The stronger our social bonds become. The golden question. In his talk, Duhigg explained that conversation are in his talk, Duhigg introduced what he should change everything. It helped. Next material will be presented by Alvin. Alvin.
Okay, the next material is listen more, speak better. Another key part of good conversation is active listening. Listen not to reply, but to understand. So that you care by responding warmly, for example, that's interesting. Tell me more about that. Ask follow-up question and show empathy for their feelings. When people feel heard, they feel value, and that that
Makes conversation
makes
meaningful.
conversation meaningful. The next is how to practice better conversation. To hit offers five practical steps we can use every day. Be curious, not judgmental, so genuine interest in others. Avoid multitasking, give your full attention. Ask open-ended question, invite longer and deeper answers. Reflect before responding, posting that answer. Practice regularly. Start with friends, classmates, or family. Practicing these small habits and completely change the
Quality,
qu-
quality.
quality of your conversation. The next material is what makes a conversation great. A great conversation is not about being smart, funny, or talk, talkative. It's about connection. Carlis the Height remind you that the better conversation make people feel seen, heard, and understood. Every meaning and exchange be- begins with curiosity, empathy, and one powerful question. As the hike size, the best conversation make both people feel seen and understood. The next is reflection time. Now let's take a short moment to reflect. What kind of question help you connect better with others? When was the last time you had a truly meaningful conversation? These are good questions to think about because reflecting helps you grow as better communicator.
Okay, now we will move to the question and discussion session. If you have a question or comment, please raise your hand and say your name. Silakan Husnun Nabila ya tadi. Mana tuh? Okay, so the question is
Husnun Nabila
sometimes
dan
we
Anggun.
listen. Silakan. Okay, dengar gak sih suaraku? Okay, so the question is sometimes we listen just to answer, and sometimes we listen to really understand what someone means. So, what is the difference between listening to reply and listening to understand? Can you give an example from your own experience? Okay, that's the question. Oke, is it clear? Pertanyaan kedua, Anggun.
So my question is, why do you think deep questions help people build stronger connections than small talk? And what kind of deep question do you think could make a conversation more meaningful? Okay, that's all.
Oke, thank you. Sebelumnya kami akan menjawab pertanyaan dari Husnul Nabila tadi. uh, what the difference between listening to replay and listening to understand? And can you give an example ya? The answer is listening to reply means we are focused on what we want to say next instead of what the other person is trying to express. We hear their words, but we don't really understand their feeling or message. Listening to understand, on the other hand, means we give full attention and try to see things from a different perspective. For example, once my friend was upset about a group project. At first, I just wanted to give her advice quickly. That was listening to reply, but then I stopped and really listened to her feelings. After that, she said she felt better because I finally understood what she was going through. Is this enough, Husnun?
Yeah, enough. Thank you.
Okay, the next question.
I will answer to the Anggun question. The question is, why do you think deep question help people build stronger connection than small talk? What kind of deep question do you think could make a conversation more meaningful? The answer is deep question help people connect because they show real interest and invite emotional sharing. Small talk is fine for starting a conversation, but it usually stay on the surface. Deep question make people reflect and open up about their thoughts and feelings. For example, instead of asking, "How are you?" I could ask, "What made you smile today?" or "What's something you're grateful for this week?" This question make the conversation warmer and help both people feel closer and more understood. That's enough, Anggun. That's all enough.
Enough. Thank you.
Okay, before we end this session, let's take a moment to remember the main message from Charles Duhigg talk. A great conversation is not about being smart or funny, it's about connection. When we listen to understand and ask the right question, we make others feel seen and valued. Thank you everyone for your attention and participation. Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.